Hello YouTube, Jedimon 2005 here with another memory review. This one for the Kamen Rider Double Sound Capsule Gaia Memory Set 3, the Imagin memories. I think it's what, 6, 7, 8, I don't know. Like I said before, numbers don't matter, but it's Urataros Imagin, Kintaros Imagin, and Ryutaros Imagin. So my three pals, they go with the Momo memory, and now all happiness ensues because I have all 4 Taros. So, oh dear, his sticker looks like it's coming up a little bit. Alright, there we go. All better. Okay, anyway, let's get straight to the sounds. So they each have 4 phrases. It says, mind if I reel you in, when, his signature catchphrase. Okay, so he says, a coward, yeah, people tell me. Not bad. And I am born to be cool. And if you look, let's take a look at the memory. It's this bright blue color with the little sparkle things like Momo has. It says Urataros Imagin right here. And in the background it has little turtle shells. Like Momo has peaches, this has turtle shells. So that's cool. On to Kinchan. My strength has made you cry. Wipe off your tears. Thank you. It's a sumo way of saying it. You will cry. And Kinchan, both Ura and Kin are gold tips, by the way. And Kinchan is this bright yellow with the sparkles. And it says Kintaros Imagin and has a big old sunburst behind him. What that has to do with Kintaros, I'm really not sure. Being a bear and all, but whatever. Now for our dragon friend, Ryutaros. Can I kill you? I can't hear your answer. Dance with me. Nobody can beat me if I'm serious. And yay! And Ryutaros has Ryutaros Imagin. He's a silver tip, my bad. Memory, and he's all this pretty purpley like Hibiki is, with the little sparkles in him. So now that we did the sounds, let's do this. Now since there's 3 memories, I probably won't be able to do every memory like I did the other ones, but we'll give it a go. So let's start with let's bring in the riders first, and let's spread these out. Let's grab Ryuta, and let's see who's gold tip. Kuga's gold tip. Okay, so he says I'm, and then Kuga, and then I believe he says his phrase, mind if I kill you, whatever, can't hear you. Then he says, nobody me if I'm serious, and then yay. Okay, let's put Kuga over here, and get Ryuki. Dragon for a dragon. So cool. I don't think I let it, well, it's long enough, but oh well. Let's get Hibiki in here. Purple and purple. And finally, Dengo. Alright, and I have 6 silver tips, so what we're gonna do is actually, I'm not gonna count Momo, we'll do Momo with something different. But I'm gonna do 3 with one and 2 with another, just to keep it quick. Let's start with Iko. Okay, so he says, I'm, and then this thing, and then, what he said, mind if I string you along? And then he says, that's it. I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Let's do it with, who do we want for Ryuta? Let's get Kiba.
Kiba! Boku! Omae, boku ni tsurarete miru. Ii in janai?
Okay. And we'll do Kabuto.
Kabuto! Boku! Omae, boku ni tsurarete miru. Ii in janai?
We'll do Kabuto twice.
Kabuto! Ore! Namida wa kore de fuitoke! Nakere de!
So he says, it's kind of off though. Like, I'm and Kabuto should have been like, mixed up. And then he says, wipe your tears, and you wept. Okay.
俺の強さにお前が泣いた。
Okay. And then Faiz.
ファイズ、俺。涙はこれで拭いとけ。泣けるで。俺。涙はこれで拭いとけ。泣けるで。
Now let's do Momo King.
俺。最初からクライマックスだぜ。涙はこれで拭いとけ。決まったぜ。泣けるで。
That just makes me giggle. Let's do Momo Ura.
俺、僕。最初からクライマックスだぜ。お前、僕に釣られてみる。決まったぜ。いいんじゃない？
And let's get Ryuta and Ura.
僕。ちょっと倒してもいい？答えは聞かないけど。僕に釣られてみる。止められないよ。僕が本気出したら。
Oh my gosh.
イエーイ！
This is retarded. This is damn retarded.
僕。俺。ちょっと倒してもいい？答えは聞かないけど。涙はこれで拭いとけ。止められないよ。僕が本気出したら。
Yay. Okay, we cut that off. There's no timing whatsoever with those together. Damn. Let's see. Who do we want? I don't even know. God damn. Jesus. Trigger. Let's do Ryuta trigger since he has a gun. No sense either.
答えは聞かないけど。止められないよ。僕が本気出したら。イエーイ！
Let's do Axel, because otherwise people riot in the streets.
アクセル。ちょっと倒してもいい？答えは聞かないけど。
I hate that damn noise.
止められないよ。僕が本気出したら。
That damn noise is so loud.
イエーイ！
Fucking hate it. Let's get some skull action. Skull and Kinchan, why not? One's dead, one's permanently asleep. Anything else? Okay, good. What else? I don't even know. Let's get Ryuta with something. Metal, since he has a rod. Oops. Oh wait, no, that's the same side. Never mind. Let's do some Cyclone. Okay. And a Luna one. Okay. So that's done, because we're running long on time, and yeah, this is getting old fast. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you have 4 Imagin. See, it's pretty. But I definitely recommend all 4 of these. Oh, 3. And, I mean, Momo already came out, but 3 of these. Pick them up, especially if you have Momo. They're awesome. They're awesome. Let's just get our faces in big and huge. So, till next time, check out our podcast. Writers, Rangers, Rambles at shukinshinobi.podbean.com, because Shuki's a crazy person and attacks us if we don't promote it properly. So subscribe, RSS feed, iTunes, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. And thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later.